What's up, YouTube? We're back again for another beautiful day in South Florida, baby. I headed to work, and I just wanted to make this video and talk to you guys about what's to be coming on the Jeep. We haven't been doing any videos on the Jeep just because of the holidays. Hope everybody had a Happy New Year, 2025. Overall, the Jeep has been performing very well. We are going to be making some changes, and we're going to be talking about that right now. So stay tuned. So that's right. What we got is the 35 Nitto Grappler MTs on this beautiful high altitude. And, you know, obviously with these big tires, you've got to make some changes. Now, the rear end in these Jeeps are notorious for a rear seal leak. I think it's a TSF recall. Pretty much out there that Jeep's taking care of this under warranty. It's got 342s in it, so we've got to get those switched out. No, we're not running 373s. We're not running 410s. We're going to be running the 456s. That's what's in the Rubicon. You can get that as an upgrade in the Rubicon. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put those on here. Now, a lot of people say, you know, you might as well go with the 488s or the 513s. But at this point, I think 35s is the biggest that we're going to go. We don't have any plans to go any bigger. And with the 2.0, it's plenty. I think it's going to be plenty of gear. Let me know what you think, guys. With a 2.0 turbo, what kind of gear you would run with the 35 the way we have it set up on this one. Also, we're talking about the shocks. So we are going to be doing a shock upgrade. And I have always liked the Falcons, the Terraflex, but I've been persuaded to go Fox 2.0. Now, if I'm wrong, let me know, comment below. But I'm thinking about doing the Fox 2.0, and then we're going to do I think it's called the Fox ATS 2.0 steering stabilizer. It's a single ram. I'm going to post the description below, and you can adjust it. Now, I've got the dual ram on my truck, and I can't really notice much of a difference. I'm probably going to upgrade that one here pretty soon. The shocks do begin to wear out, so keep that in mind. We're going to be doing that, and then also with the big tires, you have to change the computer. Even the tuners out there that I've read up on is you have to buy a taser. And the taser is going to help you be able to adjust your gear ratio. It's going to be able to adjust your tire size and the way it shifts. So that's the thing that's most important. And then also the auto stop. I hate that. And you always got to constantly push the button to turn it off every time you get in a vehicle, so you can bypass that with the taser, is what I read up. And there's obviously a lot of other features that you can do, but those are the most important for me. And on this Jeep, we should be getting a taser probably today or tomorrow. We're going to get that put on. And then we're going to do the shocks, and then we're going to be doing the gears. So that's the big things that's going to be happening on the Jeep Altitude. Now, going back to, we're going to talk about real quick what's going on with the BMW. I made a video on my last video talking about possibly getting a Porsche. That is still in the mix. So we are definitely weighing out some options there as well. Now, I have thought about selling the Chevy Tahoe. I'm not sure if I'm going to pull the trigger. I have to see. We're just wanting to do some, not really necessary liquidation, but just trying to clean out a little bit and see what we can get into next. So, but anyway, so that's where we're at on the Jeep, guys. That's where we're at right now at MJ's garage. We made it through Christmas. We made it through New Year's. I'm glad to be into 2025, and I hope that everybody has a great New Year's. It's going to be a great New Year's for us as we look forward to a lot of improvements and new things to come in on the channel. We are definitely excited and thrilled that we've hit our 1,000 subscribers and we continue to grow. But we want to continue to grow with video. Now, these last few months I haven't been posting that many videos. That's just because of the holidays and work. You know, there's just so much work that goes in on the holidays. When you're working in the car business, you don't have much time off with your family and also with the YouTube. So I do apologize about that, but we are going to continue to make the videos, and we're going to continue to help you guys on your investment, so you can make sure that you get the right investment when you buy. You know, a lot of times we buy stuff and we don't know how it's going to perform. You know, we might see the Google review, but we want to see it live in action. We want to hear the consumer after they've purchased it, after they installed it, because we might want to run the same setup that they are running. But anyway, guys, I do appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification off to the side. That way you don't miss any of the MJ Garage videos. I do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one.